Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase. I've been using Quickbase for a while now, and I've had a lot of positive experiences with it. But I've also heard some negative things about the company, so I wanted to do a video to share my own experiences and help you decide if Quickbase is a good company to work for. Before I get into the details, I want to ask you a question. What are you looking for in a company to work for? Do you want a company that is stable and has a good reputation? Do you want a company that offers a competitive salary and benefits package? Do you want a company that has a positive work culture? If you're looking for all of these things, then Quickbase might be a good company for you. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform. It allows you to create custom applications without having to write any code. This makes it a great option for businesses that want to create their own applications but don't have the resources to hire developers. Pros of working at Quickbase. Stable company. Quickbase has been in business for over 20 years and has a strong financial foundation. Good reputation. Quickbase has a good reputation for being a great place to work. It has been ranked as one of the best companies to work for in the Boston area. Competitive salary and benefits package. Quickbase offers a competitive salary and benefits package, including health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, 401k, and paid time off. Positive work culture. Quickbase has a positive work culture. Employees are encouraged to be creative and innovative. There is also a strong emphasis on teamwork and collaboration. Opportunities for growth. Quickbase is a growing company, so there are plenty of opportunities for growth and advancement. Fun workplace. Quickbase is a fun place to work. There are many social events and activities throughout the year. Cons of working at Quickbase. Can be stressful. Quickbase is a fast-paced company, so it can be stressful at times. Can be challenging. Quickbase is a complex product, so it can be challenging to learn and use. Not for everyone. Quickbase is not for everyone. If you're not comfortable with technology or with working in a fast-paced environment, then Quickbase might not be the right company for you. Overall, I think Quickbase is a great company to work for. It offers a stable work environment, a competitive salary and benefits package, and a positive work culture. If you're looking for a company that is growing and offers opportunities for advancement, then Quickbase is a great option. So, is Quickbase a good company to work for? The answer is yes, if you're looking for a stable company with a good reputation, a competitive salary and benefits package, and a positive work culture. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to visit their website or check out some of their job openings. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Quickbase, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more.